On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw a figure skater, but it's not kind of a real kind of realistic photographic type of figure skater. This is a pictogram figure skater, and what I'm starting off with is a kind of a semi, well, it's a kind of across the horizontal. It's kind of a, what would you call it? It's an arc. It's not a semicircle. It's not a full semicircle, is it? So this is actually going to be here. This is the shoulder, and then this is going to be the body and coming into the back leg. And then here, you want from the shoulder, we want to have an arm coming up there, getting it's curved and getting slightly thinner at the top like that. Coming to there, and then really that wants to follow through to about there. So I don't think that's quite thin enough up there. And I should say that I am pressing very, very gently on here. I'm not really pressing very hard on the paper at all. These are the arms, this is the body, this is the leg. So we need a head, and that's going to be a circle around about there. And then we need a bottom leg. Let's make that a bit more definite there. We need a bottom leg, which is going to be about here. And this actually starts quite thin and gets a bit thicker. And it's almost vertical, but not quite. So it's getting a little bit thicker down to about there, where we're going to put the skate. And that's just a kind of a rhombus down there at the bottom there, like that. A long, thin rhombus? I think it's a rhombus. Now I should say that when I was doing all that pencil drawing, I was not pressing very hard. I don't think that's a very good circle. So this is all going to be filled in, so I'm just going to shape that circle around a bit better. And then what I will do is I'm going to start about there, follow that curve around into the shoulder, around there, and all the way up to there. Across the bottom of the leg. Yeah, so don't press too hard on the pencil, because this is all going to get inked in and you're going to want to erase the pencil. So if you press too hard, it's all going to get kind of ground into the paper, and it's really, really difficult to erase the pencil marks. And sometimes you even actually dig into the paper and kind of make dents in the paper. So just gently kind of sketch on the surface. That doesn't look very straight, does it? It's talking at the same time as drawing. You're going to lose those moments of concentration. So it's getting slightly wider like that. And we want the skate across the bottom like that. And then when the ink is absolutely dry, you can erase all those pencil lines, because you weren't pressing too hard, were you? And they all disappear very, very nicely. And then we can start inking in. And here I'm using a brush pen. It's a Pentel brush pen, which I really like because they're really dark and they're waterproof as well, which is very important to me because I sometimes use watercolour on top. Since you're still watching, you obviously like drawing and things like that. So look, click down here and make sure that you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel here on YouTube, and keep coming back for lots more drawings. I was going to say every week, but at the moment I'm doing them almost every day. So there's always new drawings coming along, and they're usually pretty random. And just by drawing different things every day, you're going to learn all sorts of interesting things about drawing. So make sure you're subscribed. And if you have a brilliant idea for something you want me to draw, do let me know in the comments box. Some people do that sometimes, and I go, oh, why didn't I think of that before? And so I have this great long list of things which people have suggested, which I slowly work my way through. And then sometimes people say, oh, I need to draw this thing, I need to draw it by this evening, please can you do a video? Well, of course I can't do a video that quickly. And quite often when I say to them, hey look, if you had searched Draw Stuff Real Easy and then the name of the thing that you'd like me to draw, you find I've actually done it already. So if you do that, you might find I've already drawn a video, because I've done hundreds of them showing how to draw things. And there you go, how to draw a figure skating pictogram for the Pyeongchang Winter Olympics. And do make sure you keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Subscribe. And in the meantime, keep drawing. Practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.